So after 2 days of sailing, we finally here in Port Refugio, and now we have a swim. The only thing we were missing in Zero Bay up there in Bahia San Jorge was the water quality. Because of the big current and the shallow bay, it was kind of murky, and here it's now clean and clear. And actually it's 2 degrees colder, so it's around 34 degrees Celsius, which makes it way more refreshing than the 36 or 38 we had up north. So let's splash. I'm coming! We enjoyed the refreshing water, dove in multiple times, floated and had a great day. Next day we did a short sail to Bahia de Los Angeles. We needed to provision with a few fresh things, and we are hoping to see one of the whale sharks. First we dropped the anchor in Gringa at the northern end of the bay to look for whale sharks, and got lucky right away.
He touched me with the back fin.
Yeah,
me too.
It was like, oh my god, there's the back fin.
Me too.
How was it?
Awesome. What a beautiful animal.
Yeah, that's
awesome. Nice. Awesome. But the water is really murky.
What a great experience.
We made it.
We just dropped anchor half an hour ago and friends told us they're here. We are so lucky.
Suddenly he swam by.
Right next to the boat.
Half meter to zero. And we thought it was a manta maybe, or... Oh, wait, is it a shark? Oh, it's a real shark!
Okay, let's swim back to the boat, eh?
Yep.
Ahoy from Bahia, Los Angeles. Beautiful place, great anchorage here, good people here, and you can get water here. You have to carry the jugs, but it's not far, and you can get fuel here. There's 2 Pemex stations, and they actually have diesel, which we are going to get later today. So we have enough for the next couple of weeks to sail on to the other side of the Sea of Cortez again. We just made this stop over here because we heard the whale sharks, which was very successful a couple of days ago already. Hopefully we will see them again, but if not, we got it, and it was awesome. Swimming with these big creatures, the biggest fish in the world, that was just unbelievable. He has a big aft fin, and when he was just cruising along, I was just snorkeling right next to him, and he touched me with his fin on my leg, and he just went off. But they're so peaceful, so calm, chewing up water that looks so nice. They're just chewing up, and there's nothing they eat, just water. So a good place to be. Big recommendation to stop over here. Good cruiser community, and we stay a day more too, and then get out here again. Loaded with adrenaline and a big smile at our faces, we relocated to the city. Bahia de Los Angeles is a great cruiser spot. Lots of anchorages, nice water, and a couple shops with all what the cruiser's heart need. Makes this spot very accommodating for cruisers. So we weren't surprised to see around 15 boats anchoring there. We needed water, diesel, and groceries. Not much, but we were a little short and still had a few weeks before we haul out at the dry dock in Weymouth. We stayed a few days, checked one thing off at a time, leaving groceries to the last. The supermarket was a huge surprise, and we were stoked to get so many fresh goodies. They have a great selection, huh?
Coconut, melon, peach, apple, pear,
Grapes,
cherries.
even cherries. Yeah, they have everything.
Awesome.
I'm super impressed.
Cheese.
Cheese?
Cheese?
Yes.
What kind of cheese? Your choice.
It's unbelievable. Wow, we're just super stoked at the moment what this little tiny supermarket has to offer. That point goes to Bahia Los Angeles. We stored all our supplies, got the boat ready, and decided to stay for another night. The festivities for the Mexican Independence Day were just around the corner.
Mexicanos, buenas noches.
Buenas noches.
En nombre de la patria venimos a celebrar un aniversario más de la independencia de México. Sí. A continuación, retiraremos nuestra bandera.
But next morning we pulled anchor and set course to cross the Sea of Cortez one more time. The forecast promised best sailing weather, so off we went. But that's another story. Aloha and out. Just me and my boat. It's just me